Welcome, fellow seekers of the extraordinary. Today, we delve into the captivating world of Dr. Wondertainment and one of their most peculiar creations, SCP-1103. Get ready for an in-depth exploration as we uncover the secrets of Dr. Wondertainment's transplantation kit for young surgeons. SCP-1103 refers to a series of commercially packaged human body parts, labeled as 1103-1 to 1103-11. These vacuum-sealed objects come in plastic trays, adorned with the labeled Dr. Wondertainment's transplantation kit for young surgeons and price tags ranging from $4 to $26. Each package contains various contents, including an instruction manual, a pair of disposable plastic gloves, and a tube labeled Dr. Wondertainment's Tube Wonder Lubricant, this being referred to as SCP-1103-2. The tube contains approximately 5 ccm of a translucent, viscous yellow-green liquid with a composition resembling blood plasma. Analysis has revealed the remarkable durability of the tissues within SCP-1103. Samples have survived up to 3 hours in open air at room temperature. By vacuum sealing or submerging the sample in a physiological solution and cooling it below 5 degrees Celsius, the samples can be stored indefinitely. DNA analysis has shown that despite their uniform appearance, the samples originate from different individuals of various races and genders. The only commonality among them is the blood type O and the negative Rh factor. Applying SCP-1103-2 onto human or animal tissue temporarily loosens the intercellular bonds within a 1 mm thick layer, accompanied by a subtle fluorescence lasting approximately 5 minutes. Afterward, the surface regains its original structure, with the outermost epidermal layer failing to regenerate. When another tissue sample comes into contact with the loosened cellular layer, the surfaces fuse together. Within 6 to 14 hours, a functional network of blood vessels develops at the interface. Initially, it was believed that neural connections did not form, but further experiments have shown that this process takes an average of 3 weeks. Remarkably, only one case of tissue rejection has been registered, despite the use of foreign tissues. Detailed experiment protocols are available upon request for research. Now, let's take a look at the user instructions for SCP-1103-1, the Funny Finger Transplant. Congratulations! You've successfully acquired the Funny Finger Transplant, part of Dr. Wondertainment's transplantation kit for young surgeons. Are you ready to become a young surgeon? Let's find out. Step 1. Find a friend in need of a finger. Step 2. Open the packaging of the Funny Finger Transplant fearlessly. Step 3. Put on the Dr. Wondertainment's rubber gloves like a true surgeon. Make sure they fit snugly. Step 4. Snap open the cap of Dr. Wondertainment's Tube Wonder Lubricant registered. Don't worry, it won't spoil if you store it cool. Step 5. Apply a small amount of Wonder Lubricant to the spot where the new finger is needed. Step 6. Wait patiently, like waiting for a traffic light, until you see the green light. Step 5. Apply a small amount of Wonder Lubricant to the spot where the new finger is needed. Step 6. Wait patiently, like waiting for a traffic light, until you see the green light. Step 8. Hold it in place for about 5 seconds. Hooray! The operation was a success, young surgeon. If you're not currently a young surgeon, make sure to keep Dr. Wondertainment's transplantation kit for young surgeons cool. Avoid direct contact with the Wonder Lubricant. Be careful when removing the rubber gloves. Be as precise as a real surgeon. Once the funny finger is in place, it won't come off easily. For those aspiring young surgeons, you might consider purchasing Dr. Wondertainment's Human Construction Set for young surgeons. Warning: may contain traces of nuts. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary journey through the realm of Dr. Wondertainment and the mystifying SCP-1103. Please subscribe if you enjoyed this video about 1103, and if you want to learn more about other anomalies from the Foundation, then go watch one of these videos shown on the screen.